contested 5 elections so far. So, which do you think? This is the toughest or the earlier ones?
Which is the easiest and which is the toughest, sir?
No, so far I am contested 9 elections. This is my 10th election.
Okay.
I won 5 times. So this is not a tough election. This is a normal election. Not easy, but this is not a tough election.
When you say not easy, what do you mean, sir?
Not easy means the opponent is little bit strong. Mr. H.D. Devegowda, Kumar Swamy, the family dynasty party,
Okay.
from the
Earlier, you have defeated one of the members of
yes,
the
yes,
dynasty party.
yes. That time I contested from Samajwadi party. This time I contested from the Congress party. That is the ruling government is there. So compared to earlier election, this is better, easy to me.
And Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, who is the KPCC president, he has been saying that whoever is the candidate, he is the people should consider.
Yes. What D.K. Shivkumar make a statement that also helped to me, because he is the part of the government, he is the head of the government. So definitely his statement supporting this election.
Supposing you had contested as an independent, do you think the chances of yours are better?
That was the different scenario. That time the political strategy was totally different. This time, but little bit easy. This is the normal, because the whole government supporting me. This is the easy for me, I think.
So what are your plans when you win?
No plans, madam. Another 3-4 days only campaigning.
Look,
Yeah,
plans
for
in the
the constituency. For the constituency.
For the future, after my election.
Yes, after the
Yeah, after the election. After election, I want to continue all my pending irrigation projects, refill of tanks, water tanks. Many works are pending because of last 7 years. H.D. Kumar Swamy is failed to perform his duty. He is not visited his whole constituency. So he is a totally useless MLA. You ask people also. He is not performing his duty. I have lot of things to do to improvement of our villagers' day-to-day life. That means now our chief minister are going to announce 5 rupees for the price of milk price. So that is boost to the constituency, because we are the largest milk producers in the state. As a taluk, we are the largest milk producers. So like that, for the betterment of our people, whatever way I can do, I will do. Thank you.
One more question. Last. You have an identity of yourself in this constituency.
Yeah.
And you have.
I have my own followers, 70-80,000. Whenever, whatever symbol I contested, they have follow me.
And
So,
except the JDS or Janata Dal, you have been in all parties and also in SP. So will this Congress be your last stop?
definitely, madam. I am already contested 10 election. Congress is my last destination.